Sqilah. Enhancing Careers. Chapter 5. Managing the Loyalty Operations. Management of an airline loyalty program involves several key activities, including program administration, member management, points accruals and redemptions, partnerships and collaborations, marketing and communication, data analysis and reporting, and customer service. Some tools and software also help with day-to-day management of an airline loyalty program. These include loyalty program software platforms, customer relationship management systems, marketing automation tools, and data analytics platforms. By effectively managing these activities and leveraging the right tools and technologies, airlines can deliver a rewarding and engaging loyalty program experience for their customers. Program administration. This activity includes day-to-day managing the program activities such as applications of rules, tiers, and benefits. Maintaining program documentation and communications is an important part of this activity. Member management. Acquiring/enrolling new members and servicing existing ones is a routine part of this activity. Resolving member inquiries and issues is an important part of member management. Point accruals/earning. Points are earned by members through various activities/events as follows. Flying on the airline's flight. Bonus points for enrollment, referrals, higher class travel, etc. Bonus points for premium class/elite status. Bonus points for online activities such as check-in. Points from flying on Alliance Partners flight. Points from other purchases. Conversion of points from other loyalty programs. Points purchased from Airline Loyalty Program. These points are put into members' account, which members can track and keep on accumulating these points till they reach their first reward entitlement. Members have a choice whether to redeem their points for the first reward or keep accumulating till they reach their bigger goal. The member management activity takes care of this part of engagement with customers to encourage them to use more and more flights of airline to reach their reward targets. Redemption. After accumulating a certain number of points, members can use these currencies to obtain airline tickets. Award flights are still the primary commodity purchased by members using mileage currency. Tickets can be redeemed for the flights of the FFP airline or its partner/code shared or alliance member airline. The points needed to redeem for flights of different airlines may differ for different airlines. Mileage currency only pays for the base fare. The member is still responsible for payment of mandatory taxes and fees. Redeeming miles usually involves calling either the airline or travel agent, and using your program ID when you book your next flight. Presuming the flight meets the established criteria of the program, you can redeem your miles for a free flight. You can also log on to the website of the airline or its FFP program and can book a flight by redeeming your accumulated miles or points. Redeeming miles is typically a straightforward process. You should always have your frequent flyer number handy when speaking with the airlines. You purchase a ticket with miles the same way you do with cash. They will use your number to access your account and subtract the appropriate amount of miles as you purchase the ticket. Tickets are available in paper form via regular mail or shipping carriers, and, of course, as an e-ticket. Restrictions on redemption. The availability of seats for frequent flyer mileage redemption is significantly restricted. The award seat availability is still subject to blackout dates and seasonal fluctuations. Airlines also unilaterally change the award rules, generally increasing the amount of miles needed for a specific free trip. Some airlines also place expiration dates on accumulated but unredeemed miles. This way a traveler is forced to make at least one trip during a specific period in order to keep its mileage alive. Redemption for other products and services. Depending on an airline's program, members can redeem their earnings toward cabin upgrades, hotel stays, car rentals, and various retail consumption opportunities. On some airlines, it is possible to pay for a complete vacation package solely with the miles. Points can also be redeemed for other services such as lounge services, upgrades, or for some special offers. Since points needed for availing this service is relatively small, members can make use of these points even if they can't reach threshold for a free ticket. Donating miles. If getting a free ticket isn't at the top of your wish list, consider donating your excess miles to charity. Frequent flyer programs will convert your miles into equivalent tickets that they make available for a charity to use. This program could result in tickets for such agencies as the Make-A-Wish Foundation or the Red Cross. Ability to trade loyalty points. Airlines allow buy, sell and exchange of loyalty miles/points through a common exchange platform which ensures that the miles do not get wasted. Use of loyalty points for purchasing ancillary services. One great way to push ancillary services might be by enabling the customers to use loyalty points for purchasing services like priority boarding, extra leg space, in-flight Wi-Fi etc. while booking a flight ticket. This is a win-win situation ensuring that the points are utilized as well ancillary services become popular. Managing the loyalty points/miles. For a successful loyalty management program, it is essential to facilitate the member to manage their earned miles for the following functions on their own. Checking their account online. Online redemption for flights. Online redemption for other products/services. Online redemption on products of loyalty partners. Exchange the points earned within family members. Exchange points with other airlines, credit cards etc. Create more avenues for redemptions. Provide for donations of miles. Empowering the member to take decisions on his/her miles/points is the key to success. Also creating more avenues for redemption makes program more attractive. Airlines create their own software system or use readily available software from the market. These systems not only provide most facilities mentioned above but also options for customized needs of the airline. These systems are called loyalty management systems and helps airlines manage their loyalty program no matter how large or small. Main features of these loyalty management systems are: comprehensive centralized member data repository, full demographic and contact information for each member including hobbies, lifestyle, preferences and special requirements, member card details and status. Miles and tier management, various accruals, redemptions, upgrades, miles exchange, tier management, expiring miles management. Partner management, all the facilities of miles and tier management for airline and non-airline partners, real-time data exchange between partner systems, support for formats and procedures for all partner portals. Promotions management, run multiple, targeted promotions simultaneously, automated promotion alerts for members, built-in performance measurement. Communications with members, full communication history stored, email, web, SMS and fax integration, full set of standard and configurable templates, any language or alphabet, easy to configure user interfaces. Reporting and decision support, standard and customizable reports, export to spreadsheet, PDF, HTML. Seamless integration, open architecture for integration with other systems. The key benefits of loyalty management systems for airlines are: increase customer loyalty by enabling airline to launch unlimited numbers of rule-based, targeted promotions to engage loyalty amongst program members. Helps to acquire new loyalty program members from online channels or through loyalty partners. Helps personalize offers to customers by capturing and storing every transaction made by a member and using this data for developing and defining marketing and sales initiatives. Can add unlimited number of loyalty partners. Increases loyalty programs' brand value. Develop your loyalty program as a marketable brand by maintaining the best levels of. Provide seamless integration with existing systems as well as with those of other airlines. Online tools for managing airline miles. Keeping track of airline miles is a headache, especially if you are member of many airline programs. Several websites offer solution for mileage tracking, which could prevent member from letting miles expire or getting so frustrated to give up on mileage programs altogether. There are many third-party web-based software systems that can help customers to manage points not only for airlines and partners, but also for various credit cards, loyalty programs of other organizations, etc. One can consolidate all points/miles into one loyalty program where your chances of getting awards are quicker and better. These mileage trackers can prevent you from letting points expire. Many of these mileage trackers will email the member before miles expire. Partnerships and collaborations. Airline loyalty programs partner with various businesses to offer more rewards and benefits to their customers. These partnerships are with other airlines, hotels, airport lounges, taxicab companies and many others. Developing new partnerships and opportunities add substantial value to airline loyalty program. Marketing and communications. Customer engagement helps the loyalty program to keep in touch with their customers and keep their interest alive in the program. For this purpose, many creative mailers, programs and events are created and the opportunities availed to remain in constant touch with the members. Emails and newsletters are the most normal forms of communication by an airline loyalty program. Promoting the loyalty program through social media and other channels is the newer form of communication with members.